Hey guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing this new package, 14-inch Lenovo Yoga 7i. Once you see this huge knife, you know we got a beast of a laptop to unbox, and I say that because this is powered by a 10-core processor, which is insane for its price point today in my opinion. So without wasting further much time, let's get into the unboxing. And first off, we do get the laptop right there. So for now, put that to the side. So we do have the power brick, and it's a small form factor Type-C power brick. So there's that, and that's basically all we get in the box now. This is a Lenovo Yoga 7, and it comes with a 13-gen Intel Core i5 and 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of SSD, and with a 2K display. So we'll get into that in a little bit. So it actually comes in this color right here, which is the Storm Gray color, and let's take a look and see how cool it looks. So just that. And we also get these which nobody reads. No, not me. And there it is, the Lenovo Yoga. Let's talk about the display real quick. So this laptop has a 14-inch screen with a resolution of 2240 by 1400. So it does have a touch screen, yes, and the brightness goes up to 300 nits. Get some notes from Lenovo, and so this has the 16:10 aspect ratio, and it's actually a 2-in-1, and it can be used as a regular notebook, as a tablet mode, and these are the modes right here that you can enjoy. So I can just show you that right now. So it can go all the way, which is nice, and it has a really good build. So we can see it's got Dolby Vision Atmos, and there we can see the sticker for the Intel Evo Core i5. It also has a fingerprint reader, 2 speakers, left and right. So to the left side, we do have a full-size HDMI port and a tunnable Type-C right here, so that can charge the device and also output display information. So we do also have another Type-C port and a headphone jack on that side. So switching to the right side, we have just one full-size USB Type-A, and we do have a port for SD card, mini SD card to be precise, and so there's actually the power button on the right side, which is so it has a really nice build to it, and it feels premium, so you're not gonna feel chipped out on this one. It also has a large trackpad if you enjoyed that. So one important thing is you do have to plug this PC in if you do want to boot it up for the first time, and there you can see the vibrant 2K display, which looks really good. And so that's basically it for what this laptop offers, and I would consider it as a perfect laptop for school, or if you do want to use it for some personal work, you wouldn't have any problems with this one. Lenovo promises a 16-hour battery life, but that would definitely depend on the use case. That's a wrap for today's unboxing. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one.